Hi, friends! Today, let's learn to count from 1 to 10 together. 1. Red apple. Yum! 2. Chickens. 3. Cats. 4. Basketballs. 5. Candles. Let's blow them. 6. Eggs. Let's crack them. 7. Red cars. 8. Flying balloons. Let's pop them. 9. Bees buzzing. 10. Fingers. Let's clap together. Thanks for counting with me. Numbers are everywhere around us. Let's count again together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.